Okay guys, so we got this really high calorie protein shake. It's got a scoop of protein, about 500, it's about 250 milliliters of milk to 500. It's got frozen strawberries in it, it's got yogurt in it, and it's got honey in it. Really nice, really high calorie, and just really good. Alright, I just got back from gym now. To be honest, it was the shittest session of my entire fucking life. But anyway, I'm making some eggs. We're gonna make 3 fried eggs on 3 rice cakes, so yeah. It does not want to crack, does it? Oh, you twat. Oh, you little... Oh! You bugger. Oh, that's a fucking... pain in the arse. Oh, mate. Stop being a dick. Oh, there's more egg in there now. And then shell. There we go. Okay, so it's done. Now, with making fried eggs, you should go slow and put it on a middle heat, but I don't like waiting, so I just put it on the highest heat possible, and it'll cook very quickly. So yeah, I'll check up when I'm done making these eggs. Okay, so while they're slowly cooking, we're gonna get the rice cakes. Fucking this stands shit. Oh. Here they are. Caramel flavoured rice cakes. Throw. Oop. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Alright, so we've done some absolutely shocking cooking, as you can see. But yeah, we've made the eggs. I actually going to get a glass of milk. I'll just come back down for that. But yeah, I made the eggs. I'm just going to devour these in about... It'll take me a couple minutes to devour these. But yeah, I'm going to eat these. Have some milk. Ooh. And then... Oh, hello, Pippin. Oh, she's a bit camera shy. But yeah, I'm going to eat these, have some milk, and... Then, I don't know. Today, I don't have any football, so yeah. Pippin. Oh, she hates the camera. Ow. Anyway. Speed run the stairs. yeah, guys, I'm getting really fat. Like, I noticed today in the gym, my arms have just, like, not really grown. But my stomach, like, just got so big. Really big. I drink whole fat milk, by the way, which is very, very high in calories. 3.7% fat. Yeah. Got a pint of milk. Usually I'll have about 3 of them a day. 2-3 of them a day. Just because, like, it makes up calories because the milk's decently high in calories. But yeah. Speaker. But yeah, I'm just going to drink this milk, have them eggs, and then I don't know what I'm going to do after that. Okay, I'm finished. It took me ages because the sodding egg yolk kept slipping off the rice cakes. What am I supposed to do then? Eat it. But yeah, I'm done now, so I'm probably just gonna have a bath and then eat some more. Okay, so I had my tea. It was mince mash. The lighting's not very good, but it was mince mash peas. Some other leftover stuff from my roast last night. But yeah, it was all right. I'm gonna probably brush my teeth in like an hour and get into bed. It's currently 9 o'clock. But yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.